Please stand by. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow.
Global alert, global alert. Asteroid Dovşan that was shaped like a bunny discovered 5 months ago. It's on a collision course towards Earth. The asteroid will hit Morgantown, WV. It will impact in 7 hours. Gather your friends, family, pets, and more things that you love and brace for the end. Just grab your kids, do not tell them what is going on. There is no way to survive this, and this is the final activation of the emergency alert system. Now all countries will play their national anthem for the last time. After the anthem, all internet, TV and radio stations will shut down. Now we will sign off. May God help us all.